We're here in Atlantic City, New Jersey, and we got permission to drone the tallest lighthouse in New Jersey, the Absecon Lighthouse. You see it standing right here behind me. So we're going to get some footage of that for you. It's a bit windy, but we're going to do our best for you. Stick around. So this lighthouse is 228 steps to get up here to the top. Quite a hike, especially if you're out of shape. But the view is absolutely gorgeous, well worth the hike. If you ever get a chance to stop on up and see the Absecon Lighthouse, I highly recommend it here in Atlantic City, New Jersey. So come on out and enjoy the lighthouse, enjoy the rest of the sights around here. I was told that the town was starting to kind of fade away, but it's coming back and it's quite a place to visit. Come on and check it out. want to thank Milton Glenn. He works here at this facility and gave us permission to use the drone, so we want to give a big shout out and thanks to him for allowing us to do that. As explained to him, really would love to generate some interest in lighthouses, try and get people to come out and visit, and just let people see just how amazing these structures really are. All along the East Coast here, there's lighthouses, and from time to time, many of them are opened up for visitors to come inside and see. So, invite you to take the opportunity to go ahead and do that. All right, stick around, and we'll try and get some more videos posted for you soon. If you liked what you saw, then please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the little bell icon so you're notified of future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.